Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? You're killing me. You're killing me slowly. We are there. Look at the reflection of the pool that you are stepping in right now. It's the moonstone. Don't you get it? Yeah. Are we supposed to drink out of this pool? No. You're obviously not supposed to drink out of this pool. Well, I'm sorry. It's fine. Touch the moonstone. Uh-oh, the moonstone's powers are overwhelming her. Now she's in StarClan. Hello? Hello? Where'd the moonstone go? Moonstone's gone. Gone for good. That means I have to go into StarClan to save her. Oh, that hurt. Hello? Oh, there. Ah! Now at least we're in StarClan together. Yeah.